Dear friends, in this video, I will tell you how you can remove your profile picture on Facebook. So follow the steps carefully. If you like the video, please like it. And if you're new to the channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon. Step number 1. You have to open your Chrome browser. Step number 2. Go to the facebook.com website. Step number 3. Log in with your Gmail account. Step number 4. Go to your profile. Step number 5. Click on your profile and click on See Profile Picture. Step number 6. Click on the 3 dots. Step number 7. Click on Delete Photo and then click on the Delete button. And in this way, your profile will be removed. Hopefully, you got some information from this video. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Be sure to share it with your friends on your social media.